Hello everyone, you're in the basement of an old house. There are 3 light switches, each controls a light bulb in the attic. You have to figure out which switch corresponds to which light, but you're only allowed to go into the attic and check the lights 1 time. How do you do it? Well, if you turn one light on and check, there will of course be one light on, but which of the 2 off corresponds to the 2 you didn't turn off? In a similar way, you could turn 2 on and check, and there's one that's going to be off, but how do you know which one for the 2 that you turned on? So here's what you do. You turn on switch 1 and switch 2. Wait for a few minutes. Turn off switch 2. Then you're going to the attic. There's one light that's going to be on, so it's switch 1. For every 2 you feel, one of them will be warm, so that must correspond to switch 2. One of them will be cold, that's switch 3, the switch you never turned on. I like this riddle because at first glance, when you ask it, people think you're testing for knowledge of mathematics or logic, but it's really testing your knowledge of physics. Bye!